Guys, so mauni ang mga small millets. Okay. These are pigeon pea. Pigeon pea. Pigeon pea. Yeah, I think we also have some pigeon pea in the Philippines, madam.
Yeah, it's for Southeast Asia. Basically, so we have people from Myanmar, Philippines, and Malaysia who comes for pigeon pea collaboration.
Yeah. And this one groundnut. Ah, we have a lot of groundnut.
So in our gene bank, like this much collection is there.
15,446 accessions collected from 92 countries. Oh, so big, madam.
Argentina type. Oh.
Argentina, yeah. Niger, Peru,
Nature is
Tanzania, USA, Nigeria. Oh, they have nice peanut. And Congo. Oh, African peanuts, very big.
These are also very
Stout.
Yeah, they're very big, no, and their body structure is very, sturdy,
yeah.
very strong.
Yes.
Strong. So you went to Africa, madam, many times.
We have